In this video, we have yet another Jamb question. Here we are asked to make G the subject of the formula. This is the formula given, and we are asked to make G the subject. So, solution. If T is equal to 2 pi square root of L all over G, make G the subject. The first thing to do here is to square both sides of the equation. So for we to square both sides of the equation, we have it as T squared to be equal to 2 pi square root of L all over G all squared. So this is what we'll get. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to this channel. So to open this bracket, we say T squared will be equal to 4 pi squared. Of course, this square will cancel the square root sign, multiplied by L all over G, which is the same thing as 4 pi squared L all over G. Of course, we have it as T squared to be equal to 4 pi squared L all over G. Now, we are asked to make G the subject of formula. Since we have something like this, the next thing to do is to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we have T squared G to be equal to 4 pi squared L. So this is what we get. Since we are asked to make G the subject of formula, we now divide both sides by T squared. If we divide both sides by T squared, we have it as T squared G to be equal to 4 pi squared L all over T squared. Of course, this is T squared. This will cancel this. We'll be left with G, which is the subject of formula. It will be equal to 4 pi squared L all over T squared. So this becomes the solution to the equation given. For more on this tutorial video, you need to subscribe to this channel.